In this video, I will show you how to install Action in Adobe Photoshop 2026. Step by step, Photoshop Action help you save time by applying multiple edits. This method works for all Action files. First, open Adobe Photoshop 2026 on your computer. Wait until Photoshop is fully loaded before moving the next step. Now, go to the top menu, click on Window. From the drop-down list, select Action. The Action panel will now appear on your screen. Look at the top right corner of the Action panel. Click on the three-line menu icon. From the menu, choose Load Action. Look at the folder where your Action files are saved. Select the Action file and click Open. Your Action is now installed successfully. Open any image you want to edit. In the Action panel, select the Action you install it. Click the play button at the bottom of the panel. Photoshop will automatically apply the effect to your image. That's it. If you enjoyed this video helpful, please subscribe to our graphics solution trick channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.